Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use draw reins. Draw reins are a training aid designed to encourage your horse to work in a more collected and engaged frame. They help promote a softer contact and encourage the horse to lower its head and round its back. Remember, they are not meant for continuous use. Typically, 10 to 15 minutes per session is sufficient to achieve the desired effect. Proper attachment is crucial for effective and safe use. Begin by attaching the draw reins to the girth, then thread them through the bit rings, and finally, hold them in your hands along with your regular reins. Make sure they are not twisted and do not interfere with any other equipment. Initially, they should be adjusted to be a little looser, perhaps 2 to 3 inches, than your main reins. When riding, hold the draw reins underneath your regular reins, keeping a light and consistent feel. The key is to apply gentle pressure only when your horse raises its head excessively. As soon as your horse softens, lowers its head, or rounds its back, immediately release the pressure. This teaches your horse to seek the correct frame and rewards the desired response. It is vital to remember that draw reins are a training aid, not a shortcut. They should never replace fundamental training or groundwork. Avoid any harsh pulling or forcing the horse's head down, as this can lead to resistance and discomfort. Always prioritize your horse's well-being. For the safest and most effective application, always seek guidance from an experienced equestrian trainer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.